Yeah, welcome back. Simon here from Rural Fire Service of New Zealand. Just to show you how we set up the simulator. So we'll remove the personal protective equipment and the burner. This is the bucket that I mentioned earlier that we use for filling the simulator. So we need to fill the simulator. So the water is just over the burn pipe, which I'll show you shortly with another shot. The control pendant is basically fairly easy to set up. It has a 5 metre loom, so the trainer can actually stand back to the trainee as he or she approaches the burner. We have these dust water protection caps which screw off, and as a cannon plug they can only go one way. So the control pendant, you just turn it around until you find the detent and then it screws in. It only has to be finger tight. So that's for the control pendant. With the previous video I showed you, so we've got the dead man switch. So to operate this, we click it, turn and click, and you may not see it on the screen, but it brings up a green lens inside. When you actually operate the dead man switch, you push it in and it brings up a red lens. So we'll turn that on, and we have two buttons. So the black button operates the burn, the outer burn ring, which supplies LPG gas through the double solenoid lock-off system and around the burn tray here. The white button is used for the pot simulator. The pot simulator is designed to be taken off so it can be run standalone. So I'll show you that in both operations, with and without the pot. So the control pendant's now hooked up. So we have a suitable power source. The way we do that is we plug the cigarette lighter at the end of the operation into your vehicle or a portable battery pack, which is what I'm going to use today. And we've got the cannon plug here that supplies power to the unit. That clips in, you just twist it around until you find the detent, and then we screw it in. So as you can see, we've now actually hooked up the control pendant, which is the larger wire with the yellow pendant, and the power. Now the dust water protection caps, we just sit those over the top. Now I'm probably going to go off screen here, but I'll keep talking. So we plug our power supply in. Now the lead on this is nearly 10 metres long, so normally in the scheme of things this will be moved right out. And our control pendant will be taken by the instructor. Now normally our gas cylinder is moved 5 metres away, so I'll do that now and I'll come back and hook up the gas supply. So presently we're looking at the rear of the simulator. So when this is set up for the trainees to work with, the trainees will be coming from the roller door of the fire station. So they'll be proceeding this way to extinguish the burn simulator. The instructor will have the control pendant on that side as well. So your power cable and your LPG supply is a remote end behind the simulator. So this is the fail-safe gas connection. So this plugs in down the side here. Basically push it up until the detent goes in. Make sure it's nice and firm. Being new, to test them, basically we can use, I'll show you later, we'll use a little squeegee bottle for that. So the simulator's all set up now. So to show you how it works, we turn the dead man switch off, and to activate it, if I hold down the black button, you'll hear the gas, and if we hold down the white, the same here. So now that you're happy with that, what we'll do is I'll set up my personal protective equipment and we'll show you how to light it. So I'll just go off screen.